What's up, guys? Just got back from Mexico City. We went down there to the Day of the Dead parade, Dia de los Muertos. We stayed 2 nights in this high-end, upscale neighborhood called Polanco. Billionaires, millionaires, celebrities live there, and it's just a very beautiful place. It is unique to Mexico City because it's like the Beverly Hills of Mexico City. With great architecture, lovely parks, and of course you're gonna feel safe in this neighborhood, walking around at night, during the day. It was just a joy to be there. Day of the Dead is celebrated on November 1st and 2nd, and we went there right before that time. And so people were dressed up, and you saw all sorts of different costumes and decorations all around Mexico City, and we just had a great time. It was a short little trip, but we got to see a lot in that short amount of time. We got there around 4 o'clock, and then we checked in about 5 o'clock. The taxi from the airport to Polanco was about 45 minutes. We're very happy with the room. It's pretty much what you see in all the W hotels. Very nice accommodations, very modern. Not a lot of space, but we're only gonna be sleeping here most of the time. But they do have a gym that I'm looking forward to checking out. So that's it. The W Hotel, Mexico City. We're liking it. W Hotel. Thank you. Thank you for taking care of us. Who's this girl? Lady Gaga over there. And it was really nice to be there with my girlfriend. We got to have dinner at this really good sushi restaurant called Nobu. So I highly recommend you checking out Nobu, either in California or Mexico City. Thank you for watching the video on Polanco, guys. I have more videos of Mexico and one of the pyramids coming out shortly, so look for that. That's it, guys. We'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.